Hey guys, today I'll tell you how to fade in and fade out in DaVinci Resolve. The first method is using the fade in marker that's at the top right or the top left of your video clip. Okay, let's start with the start of the clip. You can click on this fade in marker and drag it over to the right. You can see the time here to your liking, and then do the same with the marker at the end, and that's done. So let's see our result. So this is the simple method. In some cases like this, you'll not be able to see the fade in and fade out marker over here. It is available in the audio clip but not in video. In such cases, you need to click on shift and then scroll your mouse up. Then this will appear if the size is correct. Another way to do the fade in fade out is use the composite feature on DaVinci. Let's go to the beginning. Then decrease the opacity of the video to 0. You can adjust it as your liking, and then add a keyframe by clicking on this diamond icon. Then move your playhead to the right and then increase your opacity to the full. DaVinci will automatically add a second keyframe where you've changed the opacity. And then again let's do this at the end. For this, let's put the opacity at 100% at first and then use a keyframe and then go to the end of the video. Then decrease the opacity. Then let's see the result. Perfect.